Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about someone that was actually able to get the shopping cart trick to work recently. So I know you guys, some people out there trying to still do the shopping cart trick, but somebody said they were able to get approved. It was only $300 limit. But in the past, as me helping people getting approved, I was able to help them get approved for a $3,000 Visa or higher limit credit cards, more than $300. And a lot of people question whether the shopping cart trick still works. But clearly, as we can see here, somebody was able to get approved. So that was a plus. The point that they was able to get approved means that it's actually working. Now the next step is for them to actually ask the company, I think it was Victoria's Secrets, they have to ask them now for an increase. So I just want to make this video for those people that still want to get approved for shopping cart trick credit cards. I just want to make this video as a reminder that maybe you still want to try, or if you already got a few credit cards through the shopping cart trick and you want to get more credit cards, maybe you need to look at the other credit cards that they have out there as an option. Now, when you guys do the shopping cart trick, you have to make sure that you opt into a company called Factor Trust. You have to opt into Factor Trust and also the pre-screen opt-out. So I think this may be it. Let's see. And Factor Trust is owned by TransUnion, but you want to make sure that you opt in. All you're doing is you letting them know that you want to have items come in the mail. You want to get offers from companies. So when you go to these websites, what's going to happen is when you put a certain amount of products in your cart, when it's worth a certain amount, when you put it in your cart, when you act like you finna check out, they say, congratulations, we approved you for a credit card. The only reason why they say they approved you for a credit card is because they got your information from Factor Trust and a pre-screen opt-out. They know that you want credit card offers, okay? They did a soft pull. They think that they can give you a credit card. So for people that got very bad credit, they can still get these credit cards. Now, I do want to tell you that it's so many credit cards out there, but do not go too crazy, because if you go too crazy, what they're going to do is they're going to shut down your credit cards, and you don't want them to shut down your credit cards, okay? But again, you want to do the opt-in, so you want to go ahead and click submit and fill out this form. Now you want to also do the pre-screen opt-out too. The pre-screen opt-out, let's see, opt-out pre-screen, here we go, right here. Scroll down to the bottom, click here to opt in or opt out. You're opting in. You're opting into them sending you offers through the mail. You're also opting into them actually giving out your information to credit card companies that offer services like the shop, that do like the pre-qualification, like through the shopping cart trick, basically. And you want to opt in, click continue. And then fill out all of your information here. They have a security code they want you to fill out, and then click confirm. Now, to get this trick to work, you all, you have to put a certain amount of items in your cart. So we're going to do Victoria's Secrets, and then I'll tell you another company that you guys can try. So what I like to do is I like to just find items that can add up to about $200 to $250. So let's go to sleep. And then let's look at the cami sets, because a lot of times they have cami sets that I can just get like 3 of them or 4 of them, and it adds up perfectly. So let's see if we can find something like $69. So basically $70. That'll get us over that $200 mark. Now that person did have a comment. Yep. So look, $69.95. Excuse me. Now you have to be careful with this, because look, buy 2 get 1 free. So that means you really probably need to add 4 of them to the cart, because 1 of them will automatically be free, okay? So let's go ahead and just pick the same thing. You don't have to be special or fancy with this. Once you get your credit card, you want to get your credit card number, you can go right into the store and spend that money. You don't have to go through with whatever your order is. So I just, pick something not too fancy. So small, that's extra small. Okay, that'll work. 4, add to bag. Okay, perfect. So it's $209. So that's good. That's where we need to be, between $200 and $250. You have to be in that area. And then go to your bag. My computer is taking a little longer to load. Click checkout. Continue to check out. Okay, perfect. Then what you want to do is you want to fill in this information here. So you want to fill in your first and last name, your street address, city, state, and zip code, your phone number, your email address. You could pick a billing thing, but you could just keep it right here on free. Leave it at that. Use a shipping address. Create an account to earn rewards on this purchase. Don't press that, okay? And then click continue to payment. And then at that point, that's when you should be able to get a pop-up saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for a credit card. Now, let me look up here because I think it was some other people that was able to get credit cards like through the shopping cart trick. So yeah, it was somebody else that said they was able to get a credit card through the shopping cart trick here. Another person that said they was able to get a credit card through the shopping cart trick. And these are just old past results I just already have screenshots for. So I'm just like basically just showing you guys these screenshots. Nothing too spectacular, but just to show you that people was able to get approved for credit cards this way. And again, it don't matter what your credit score is. They don't care about any of that stuff. Only thing that they're caring about is whether you opted in. That's really the whole thing. Like, did you opt in? Now, you're going to get the pop-up if your information is in a system. Sometimes if you go to certain dealerships, your information will already be with Factor Trust, because Factor Trust is basically with TransUnion. It's another credit bureau. Just think of it like that. But you're going to get a pop-up saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card or MasterCard. They got the store or MasterCard. And then you can click and they want to know, do you want to accept it? So you can accept it. You have to put the last 4 digits of your social in, your date of birth. You got to read some disclosures too, and then they'll give it to you. But definitely check out some of my previous videos about this. I just wanted to make this video just to tell you guys that somebody recently just got approved. I actually seen 2 people on there that got approved for it. And then also you got Express. So we got the Express clothing store. You guys can definitely go to their website too. And again, put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. Once you do that, you should get a pop-up the same way you got for Victoria's Secrets. And don't think too hard. Again, $200 to $250. We can go to women's dresses. Let's see how much they're going to cost. And then that's how we know how many we're going to add to our cart. My computer's taking a little bit longer. That's fine, as long as it works, you know. Okay. So you probably just try to get the same dress or like multiple ones of the same dress. Do not overthink it. I used to think you got to get multiple items, thinking you don't have to do any of that. So this is actually a good one right here. $88. That's a good one. $78. That's another great one. So let's go ahead and click the $79 one. And now I think we'll get 3 of these, and then we'll be at the total that we need to be at. Add to bag. View bag. Quantity, let's change this to 3. And I really just want to show you guys this total. That's our main concern, is that total. We want to be between $200 and $250, and we are $234. So that's what you want to do. Okay. Then you want to check out. You want to continue to check out as a guest, and then you should get that pop-up as you put your information in. And sometimes, it's not many left. Sometimes the problem would be too is that as you start typing in your information, sometimes you'll get the pop-up like right away, and you have to make sure that you allow pop-ups on your computer. If you don't allow pop-ups, you won't get that pop-up. Okay, a pop-up is something that just pops up saying congrats, just kind of like how this is a pop-up technically, but I think I got that app or something installed to be able to get that one. It's just a pop-up. Just pop right up on your screen right here to interrupt you where you can't even fill in your information anymore. But if you guys have any questions, definitely schedule a call with us. We're able to try this also to see if we can get the trick to work for you for free. So definitely give us a call and check out some of our other videos. And hopefully you guys get this credit card or any of the shopping cart trick credit cards if it's something that you want. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.